Ang rason kung bakit tayo ay gumigising at nabubuhay sa araw-araw is not to defeat the devil, because the devil has already been defeated. Matagal na pong defeated ang demonyo. Nung si Jesus Christ po ay ipinako at muling nabuhay, defeated na po ang devil. Pangalawa, hindi ka rin po nabubuhay to conquer the world or to conquer everything, because nung tayo po ay nakipag-isa kay Kristo, tayo po ay ibinigay na natin ang ating buhay kay Kristo. Kasama po tayo na naging conqueror because tayo po ay nakipag-isa kay Kristo. Wala ka na po dapat i-conquer because you are more than conqueror. Napagtagumpayan mo na lahat. Hindi dahil sa iyo, kundi tayo ay nakipag-isa kay Kristo. Let me tell you guys, the moment na tayo po ay nasa buhay Kristiyano na, Jesus Christ is in us, you are already blessed, you are highly favored, you are chosen, you are worthy, you are valuable, not because of who you are, but because of Christ na nagdidwell sa puso ng bawat isa. Kapatid, you are precious in the sight of the Father because of His Son, Jesus Christ, dwelling among you. Cheer up, victorious Christian. God bless you.